Welcome to the Cloud Summit with a mission of finding Dory using Microsoft Custom Vision. And I am your mission commander, so let's get started with this mission. Now, before we go on to the main mission of finding Dory, what's this all about? Like, who is Dory and why are we finding Dory? So there's a mission pre-story. So Dory is my pet, my cute little blue pet. I play with her, we enjoy together a lot of time. That's our picture on the screen from Pacific Ocean that exists, besides Pacific somewhere. And we do a lot of things. So here we are doing scuba diving, looking at some creatures and stuff. Now, one day, Dory went to play outside with one of her friend, Marlin. And they're playing, they're enjoying, but suddenly something sad happened. What was it? Now, out of blue, Dory got lost. Poor little Dory. I do care about her. She's my cute little pet, and she got lost. And I don't know. I'm really worried. I don't know where she is. I want to find her, but how do I do that? So I really got a good person when I was looking in the ocean for Dory. I got another fish, Cami. She had this camera in her hand. And what Cami does is, I asked Cami to just click photos of the ocean all time around. So Cami is clicking photos and sending me photos of the ocean every minute so that I can just go through those photos and find Dory, just spot Dory into it. So my objective is to spot Dory, but there's a problem, a big problem. And that's why I'm worried in that picture over there. So the problem is that I have a full-time job. I cannot really go through each image every minute and spot for Dory. Although I care a lot about her, but well, that's not possible. So there's so many pictures to analyze. What to do? So I also have a solution. After thinking a lot, brainstorming a lot, I got a solution that is, let's automate this process. I mean, I cannot really go through those images that Cami is sending one by one, but I can automate that process and ask computer to do it with computer vision. Now, it's okay if you don't know about computer vision and if it's a new term for you, but you know about automation, right? So our goal is to ask computer to go analyze those images and spot Dory. Now, we are on this mission. I'm the mission commander. You are my mission associates, let's call that. And before we go on to the main mission, we need to go through some mission training. What's that training about? There's some terms that one should know about. These are some common terms these days, but there's no hazard in just going through them once again. So artificial intelligence, or AI, is the intelligence demonstrated by machines. So like humans, machines can also demonstrate intelligence these days with the help of AI. Now, how do we do that? We can do that with machine learning. So machine learning is a branch of AI which can make that possible, which can give intelligence to machine. And that happens when we ask machine to get some experience around with data. So machine is going through around data and learning with that data and improving the accuracy or the performance over time. Now, there can be a lot of tasks that a machine can do, or we can ask a machine to do. But specifically, there's a task of computer vision, giving machine the ability to see and analyze everything that it sees by its own. So that's computer vision. Well, it's simple, right? Computer with a vision. Damn, computer vision. So that's what we are going to do. And if you want to learn more about those terms, there's a link over there on the slide. You can refer to that link, that document, and go through that. Now, a little more about computer vision. How does it work? Now, so it's similar to how you train a baby. So you need to train a computer in the same way how you train a baby. Now, suppose there is a red ball and a red apple. Now, obviously, you don't want a baby to eat a ball. You want the baby to eat apples. So I'll just take that apple and in front of the baby and tell him or her that this is the apple. It has a leaf. It's not entirely spherical. Eat this. Not this ball, which is totally round and doesn't have a leaf. And it's just, a ball, right? So I'll maybe repeatedly show those things to the baby. And eventually, let's say after a few experience, after maybe a few weeks, the baby will understand that ball is a stupid thing to eat and apple is that something a baby should eat, right? Now that's how we do with computer. With computer, we show the images, we pass the images to the computer. The computer will analyze those images and understand what Dory looks like. And then when Cami will pass an image to the computer will be able to recognize Dory from those images. Now that's the code. So I have Dory's images. We spent a lot of time together, so I collected few images of Dory, and I have it, which we can pass to the computer. But how do we do that? There's a service by Microsoft Cognitive Services called Custom Vision, customvision.ai, which we can use to create this computer vision model. We just need to pass images, and that's how it works. Now, for that, you need Azure credit. So Azure boy over there on the right-hand side, bottom, gave me some credits, some Azure Cloud credits, which we can use to go on and create models on customvision.ai. And that's the goal. So we are going to do that in the main presentation on 19th of September or throughout the Cloud Summit. So do make sure, if you're interested, register for Cloud Summit and jump onto my session. I'll catch you there and we'll have some fun finding Dory. Thank you.